So in this Kraken tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to set up automatic weekly Ethereum buys here on Kraken. So once Kraken's opened up, I want you to go to the bottom, press on Explorer, and the search bar at the top, I want you to type in Ethereum. Or in this case, just select Ethereum, but I'll just type it in quickly, then select it, go to the bottom right, and press buy. Once you're on this page, I want you to type in the amount of Ethereum that you want to buy per week. So in this case, if you wanted to do $20 per week, you can type in 20. Right below that where it says one time, I want you to go ahead and select weekly. Now where it says next buy at the bottom, you can go ahead and select the date or the time. I'll just keep it for right now for this demonstration, and then go to the bottom and press on confirm, and then press on the purple arrow again. Once you're on this page, you can kind of review the weekly transactions. You can see how much Ethereum you'd be buying per week, the fee, the total, the frequency. You want it to make sure that weekly is selected. And if all looks good, you want to proceed, go to the bottom, press on confirm to proceed that way. So that is how to set up automatic weekly Ethereum buys on Kraken. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.